Badhane Namaskar. Now that we have learnt to read and write all the vowels and the consonants of the Gujarati alphabet, we can now approach this sequence of arrangement of these sounds. These 14 lines or 14 sets of sounds are called as Maheshvara Sutras or Maheshvara Sutrani, and these form the basis, the very fundamental of the Sanskrit alphabet. There is a very profound story on how these sounds came about and how these are used in interpretation of how the creation itself happened in the cosmos around us and within the human body. And all of this is presented in extreme detail in our course called Vakshuddhi. You can check that in the members section of the YouTube channel, or in a separate Google Classroom section for all our patrons on patreon.com. If you are interested, you can check them out. But to just go through them quickly here, these sounds are uttered like this, they are arranged like this: A, I, Urna, Ril, Rik, E, Ong, I, Ouch, Ha, Ya, Varat, Lan, Nya, Manganam, Jhabhanya, Ghadhadash, Jabagadash, Kha, Pha, Cha, Tha, Tha, Cha, Ta, Tav, Ka, Pai, Sha, Sha, Sar, Hal. So, to refine your utterance or ucharana, you can write these set of sounds, all the vowels and consonants we have learnt so far, in this sequence using this sheet, once again either digitally or printing it on an A4 sheet of paper. And trust me, this practice of Maheshvara Sutrani will take you far in understanding how the Sanskrit sounds are arranged and how the grammar of Sanskrit functions and how profound the Sanskrit language is. Thank you so much for your attention. See you in the next video of this playlist. Namaskaram.